Hi guys, this is Stu with Main Street Mower. Today we're going over the STIHL DuroCut 20-2. You know, sometimes people when they buy a new string trimmer, they want something like this. It's a fixed line where you have pre-cut sections of line. I'm gonna open this up. And I always encourage people, don't buy this right away because you're probably frustrated with your Ryobi or Troy-Bilt, some other piece of junk head that if you try this first, you're gonna be very happy with the 25.2 and you probably won't have to go here. A lot of times I'll even tell people, if you don't like this head, I'll give you this head, just to encourage them to try this in the first place. I've never had to give anyone this head. No one ever takes me up on that offer. But if it is just really frustrating to you, and you may just prefer this, and then this head comes with these, but this isn't gonna last you very long. These are, let's see, should be 8 inches. And these are 7 1/4 inches. And the way this head works is you just stick these in the eyelet and they're barbed. So once you stick something in there, they don't come back out. Now the disadvantage of something like this is that when this line gets low, you kind of just have to deal with it until you put your motor down in the dirt, flip it over, and how you change it out is you grab the inside here and you pull the leftover piece of line out, throw that away, and you stick a new piece of line in there. The other disadvantage would be that most mower shops carry all the parts for this head, so you can always walk in the door and get everything you need for this. Whereas this is a little more of a specialty fringe head, so you probably have to order these parts and wait on them. This head holds 3 sizes of line. It holds 0.08, 0.095, and 0.105. That's decimals of an inch. So this is roughly the 105 line, and it's bigger than your normal line, but it's not that big. STIHL does carry a 130. You see that number right there, 0.130 of an inch. And then they also carry 155. This is quite big. This is almost the thickness of a pencil. It's a little smaller. And then there's aftermarket lines, same deal. You see how thick this stuff is? People want to run these lines, these bigger lines. Guys doing roadside work want to run them. If you have a bigger trimmer, like if you have an FS 131 or an FS 240, that's really what you need to run these bigger lines. You need more horsepower, and this head will not fit these lines. This little hole will not accommodate. We'll try. We'll try the 130 just to prove ourselves. Okay, this head does fit the 130. Say you wanted to buy a spool like this and you wanted to cut some pre-cut sections off, you could kind of use an old piece like this as your yardstick. You know, this one was 7 1/4, and then you could just clip or a bucket full of these, and then see how this one's kind of serrated? You can buy these in a pre-cut package, or you can buy a spool of whatever line you like and cut your own. So even though the manual, the product manual for this head says that the largest line that it accommodates is 0.105, that would be incorrect. This is a 0.130 and it seems to fit just fine, works good. So you could go up to that. But I would warn you that this line's a lot heavier and it puts a lot more load on your string trimmer, and it wouldn't be recommended unless you had a strong enough unit. You know, a lot of people don't even realize this, but on your string trimmer gear head, there's a little hole right there, and there's a tool specifically designed for this, but really anything kind of small fits in there. Will lock this head from spinning right there. And then this head is left-hand thread. You spin it to the right to make it come off. So that's opposite what you're used to. So that's how that head comes off. And that's how this head would go on. So that's how easy it is to interchange heads. So you see I'm spinning it lefty-loosey. Holding the screwdriver in here good. And you just hand tight is all that it needs to be, because when you hit the gas, you're tightening this head every time you hit the gas. So, you know, just barely tight is tight enough. Thank you all for joining me on this little tour down string trimmer line heads. There's a lot of options, from bumped to speed feed style bump. Oh, this does bump, by the way. To fixed cut line heads, where you actually have a pre-cut piece that you weave through, right down to the super cut that automatically feeds line out. Hey guys, just so you know, this video is a snippet of a very popular video we did where we actually go over all the heads. And if you want to see all of your options, there's a link in the corner of your screen now. Check it out. Thank you all for watching. That is my trimmer line video. A lot of questions you may have, please put them down in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe, watch our other videos. Let us know what you guys want to see and we'll make it. Thanks for watching.